Hello and welcome to Mechanical Jobs and Career. Today I am here to tell you about an exciting position for a fresher. The position is from Bureau Happold Engineering. It is a well-known company. The position is actually a graduate mechanical engineer. The location is Mumbai, Maharashtra. Also, the position is for a candidate who has a good knowledge in design, CAD documentation of design work, also who can work closely with and monitor performance of technician, also who can work under the guidance of senior staff, represent Bureau Happold at meetings with the clients and other professional and suppliers. He need to ensure the service and project work are carried out within the agreed deadlines and within the budget. Also, he need to ensure that the appropriate service or design decisions are met. Also, he need to ensure that the senior staffs are kept informed about the important and relevant senior service or design decisions. Also, he need to work with the other members of project team, and he need to ensure that the Bureau Happold staff are informed of client matters. Also, he need to ensure the practices, policies, strategies, and services represent the clients and Bureau Happold best interest, and Bureau Happold policy is in keeping with the current legislation or British standards and codes of practice. Maintaining the awareness of project budget and raising any concern regarding the budgetary or financial issues. He need to ensure that the senior staff are kept informed about the important and the relevant service or design decisions. Also, he need to ensure that all necessary Bureau Happold staff are informed of the relevant client matters. Also, he need to work with the finance department, reporting and maintaining the awareness of project budgets and raising any concern regarding the budgetary or financial issues. Also, he need to be work with the reporting department, ensuring the senior staff are kept informed of the important and relevant service or design decisions. Also, he need to work closely with the planning and operation department. He is responsible for planning and organization and maintaining the personal workload in order to meet the deadlines in line with manager's requirement. He will be proactively raising the concern regarding the workload and ability to meet deadlines. So the required skills are given below. So typically 0 to 1 years of experience of mechanical design engineering, graduate members of professional university or institution, ability to accept degree of responsibility in team-based organization combined with the ability to work independently, Microsoft Office, especially Excel. If you know macros, that would be preferable. Experience using the common analysis software like CSC, Fast Track, TEDS, Robot, ETABS, SAFE, and willingness to quickly learn to use these analysis packages if required. The applicant will need to have a strong interpersonal skills, also organizational skills, ability to purpose multiple solution to client, propose multiple solution to clients, objectively summarize the benefits and shortfalls of each. Desirable skills include some of the experience of working variety challenging domestic and overseas project, experience of AutoCAD, Revit, CSC Fast Track, TED, TEDS, Robot, ETABS, and safe preferable is preferable, although not essential. Uh, Also, degree, a bachelor degree or a BSc degree or a master degree or an MSc from a premier institute in India is preferred. So if you don't know about the company, you can directly Google it. This is a well-known company. So that's it for this video. You can read the full job description by the below link. I have mentioned the link in the video description. You can also you can just pause the video and read the job description, or you can directly go to the link given in the below video description, and you can directly go through the job description. Also, you can apply for the position by clicking on this button. Okay, and that's it for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye.